What's up, YouTube? Today I want to do a review on this car FM transmitter. As you can see, it transmits your music into your FM stereo. It also answers your phone calls during driving. It has 3 different charging ports. It's hands-free basically. It looks pretty cool. It has a display and it has the 2 charging ports. Well, let's unbox it and try it out. Thanks. All right, so what comes inside the box? As you can see, it comes with a AUX cable, so you can connect it direct. You also get a warranty card, 6 months extended warranty. You have to register, as you can see. Also, what comes in the box is your manual. You can see, show you exactly, it's in English. Now let's take a glance at the product itself. As you can see, it connects to your lighter. You have your 2 USB, so you can charge. And as you can see, it has a bendable neck. Okay, so now on the device itself, this is where you connect the AUX. You have another USB, and this is where you put your SD card. Now in the front, you have the menu and the channel and the rewind and fast forward, I think it is. You also have the little knob, and this is your display. Pretty awesome. That is unboxing the FM transmitter. Awesome, awesome. All right, so now we have the transmitter, and now we're going to see how it works. So we're going to connect it to the lighter, and as you can see, it turns on. Pretty nice. And as you can see, Bluetooth, and it shows everything. It tells you exactly how much volts. Really nice. It pairs. So now I'm gonna put it on that channel. I'm gonna say 108. So we're gonna put it at 108. So 108 will be basically 107.9. So I'm gonna go back one more. So I'm gonna put 107.9 to be exact. So basically it's in my stereo already. So now I connect my phone through Bluetooth, and it will give me my music. But for now, so we're gonna connect the Bluetooth. So we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna go into Bluetooth, and now we're gonna look for device. Okay, we're gonna look for device. That should be the device. And now it's connected. As you can see, it says Galaxy, and that's what I have, a Galaxy Note. Now I'm gonna call the weather channel just to show you that it works. So it's calling. Now I put my speaker up.
Good morning.
And it's
download
connected.
Our mobile app and bank from anywhere you get a signal. People's United Bank NA, member FDIC.
As you can see, it's telling me the time, how many seconds I'm on already, basically. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well, that's how it works. Connects, you put your music, or you put the SD card and plays the music into your FM stereo. It is absolutely amazing, even the way it looks. Well, that's about it. Well, that's it, YouTube. That's how this little FM transmitter works. It is absolutely amazing. In my description, I will have a link in where to buy. Just go below my description and it will say where to buy. It is amazing and it works perfect. And you have a lot of charging ports. That's the best thing. And they are 501A. And it's good. Well, like and subscribe. Thank you.